Hey, welcome to Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Kisa. I'm Joe the farmer, and I just wanted to again show you the progress we've made. Last video we had some gardening problems. A lot of seedlings didn't grow and they didn't sprout, and so I had to replant a lot of things. But and I'm going to show you the progress we've made on that. Because there ain't no stopping us now in the garden. But I saw a video a couple of days ago about how to plant watermelons. I'm going to try this technique myself. And what the guy did, he created a mound. And let me step to the side. What I'm going to do, I got this Amazon Prime box, and I'm going to fill it with soil. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill it up all the way over so that it's kind of like a mound where the vines, some of them probably will grow down, but we're going to trellis these watermelons and have them to grow vertical. So what I've already done, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can move the camera a little closer. I've got a little bit of organic matter. I got some sticks in here. I've got my potting soil, and so I'm going to fill this up with a little more potting soil all the way to the top. And we're not ready to plant the seedlings yet. They're still growing. I think we're going to grow them for another 2 weeks before we transplant them into the garden bed. But I just wanted to show you how I'm doing it. Well, the way he did it, he just took all his soil and created a big mound. But I wanted to try this as well to kind of have it raised up and contain it a little bit, and this box will help me to trellis what I've got here. So you're gonna get to watch me work a little bit. Get this bag of soil. I think this one bag will do, or it's gonna have to do. If not, we're just gonna have to go and get some more. Like I said, I'm just going to fill this up till it's all the way to the top. So it looks like we will have to get some more because I planned on doing 2 of these. But we got one more bag of soil. And guys, I mean, there's lots of folks out there who will tell you that there's different types of potting soil, peat moss. It all depends on your pocketbook, how much you want to invest in your garden. If you're just starting out, don't spend a whole lot of money, because if you don't get the results that you're looking for, you'll be a little upset about it. I got this particular soil from Family Dollar, and it was just $5. Let's put a little bit more in there. Okay, so that's how that's going to look. And this particular soil, I liked it because it had 3 months worth of fertilizer already in this soil. So for $5, that's a pretty good deal. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some of the other progress. I'm going to pick up my camera here and turn it around so you don't have to see my mug. But again, the last video, these plants, I'm pretty sure they're watermelons because they're in the same location. Here is 2 more right here. So we may end up transplanting these into that bed. I'm not sure. Right over here is where I had the potatoes that are in the ground. They haven't sprouted. The ones in the bag are looking like they're doing a little something. Then here, look at my onions. And of course, these are staggered. I just planted these 2 They sprouted roots. That one right there. Still not sure what I'm gonna put in these 2 beds. But let me show you what we've done over here in this garden bed. I put my stakes in. Got a little decorative fencing right here. Again, got this, guys, from Family Dollar. They were $1 a piece. So let me step back so you can see what we've got here. So we've got our stakes in, and our tomato plants will go where these stakes are. Over in this area over here, we will probably be planting the cucumbers, and I'll probably get some more stakes. We're going to try to be vertical on almost everything. Even though I have plenty of yard, I still want to try to do these things. So we're inside, guys, and I want to show you the progress that I've made with all of my seedlings. As you know, everything here, none of this was growing. I replanted. Now the squash hasn't sprouted. The squash is the only thing that has not sprouted. Everything else has pretty much sprouted. As you can see over here, I've got, let me move that a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, we've got a little sprout in there just coming up. That is the petite yellow watermelons. The regular watermelons have not sprouted. The collards are doing really, really well. The strawberries have started to sprout. My cucumbers over here, they're doing, let me see. Yeah. The cucumbers are really doing really well. We'll probably be planting these in the garden bed pretty soon. And then up here on the shelf, we've got more collards. We've got some more cucumbers. We've got, what else do we say? Our beans. So the tomatoes, we're going to get those, and we're going to plant those from, we're not growing those from seed. We're going to grow those from, that's a bad angle. Here, get the light out. There we go. But forgive me, guys, you know, right now I'm a one-man operation. But as you can see, we've got some pretty good progress. Ain't no stopping us now in the garden. And I'm very excited. Because at first I thought I had plowed up all these garden beds and wasn't going to have nothing to put in them. But the Most High has blessed us, and it looks like we're gonna be able to get a bountiful harvest. So, you know, again, as always, I want to encourage you to try to grow your own food. Watch what I'm doing. As always, please like the video. I'm always interested in your comments. If you have suggestions, if you have critiques, also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Later.